So today I'm excited about this project on a Challenger. I've been looking forward for this for quite a long time, and I'm super excited about this project. So today we're gonna be installing a front splitter. So here's the part. That's actually my birthday gift, so I'm excited to put it on today. So let's do it, guys. So I was gonna put in a ramp, and that way it's easier to work on it underneath. But when I put a splitter here, it's when I'm gonna lower the car down, it's gonna hit the ramp. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because you have to unscrew some stuff up there and it's hard to get in. Plus you have to do some drilling, extra, I believe 4 holes. So I don't know, guys. Maybe we'll try just to put it on, just to see if even gonna touch the ramp or not, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, guys, I can't lift the car on the ramp because it will hit the splitter when I'm gonna back up. So we're just gonna do how we can do it, get in there and do it that way. But so up here I have all this 9 holes, which is factory screws, goes right back to it. And here I have 6 holes, which I have to drill it into the bottom of that splitter up there. So I have a couple, quite a bit of screws left, so I decided just to screw it in a couple more, just for make it more secure. So yeah, I'm gonna be using a drill. Just gonna go and a little bit sideways, and then we'll go from there with the screwdriver. Alright guys, so we also gonna use this red masking tape to put all the trim on the trim all the way in the edges, so it will look even better, gives that little bit better look. So it's heavy duty, waterproof, so yeah, let's put it all the way on the edges. Alright guys, so we are finished with the front splitter. Check this out. It looks freaking nice. I love it. Looks badass, makes the car looks way aggressively looking. And like I said, I did this red trim, makes it even matches with the car. But yeah guys, it wasn't too bad of install. I might thinking about to put 2 rods here and there just to support the splitter. I'm not sure yet. What do you guys think? Comment below this video, let me know, should I do it or should I not, because I already put a couple extra screws in, so it holds pretty nice, so it won't go anywhere. It's pretty sturdy right now. But yeah, I don't know, I might install rods, I might not, we'll see. But overall, I love how it looks really good. Makes the car looks way aggressive, like I said. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you till next time, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.